thinking assignment 1, and one of your peers asked me a question about how to copy the formula from this balance row down and across, even though there's these spaces here, so that you don't have to type it every time. And so I just thought I'd do a quick video to show you how to do that. So in this balance row, we're obviously going to be adding the column, or not the column, I'm sorry. So we're going to say equals the cell above it. We're going to go up, so we have P4, which is row 1, and then we need to add, my heavens, I'm having a hard time tonight, row 2, which is P5, and press enter. And so now we have that formula, or you could have used a sum, I suppose, so you could have said equals sum and select those two cells above it and press enter. So either one works, and I'll just put in some fake numbers here. And sorry, I put my sum in the wrong spot. Equals sum, open parentheses, two cells above. Okay, so we have either function here, whichever one you do is fine. Click into that cell and do Control C or Command C to copy it. If you're on a Mac, it's Command C. And then you can select all these cells with a balance. So you can select P10, which is a balance, and then 12, 14, 16. So I'm just selecting all of these, as you can see. We can even go across to the row or the column over one and hit Command V or Control V, which is paste. And now that formula has been copied into all of our cells. You can see that it even actually copied over that formatting of the line, and so if that bothers you, we can fix that and just get rid of that border. And then you can confirm that that did work, so we'll just put in a fake number here and see that it did update. And so, I mean, I don't think that's quite as fast and ideal as just dragging the formula over, which is also an option. It just kind of messes up the formatting here, but that's not the end of the world. You could fix that if you'd like. So you have a couple different options, but I think just doing the Command C or Control C, copying it, selecting all the cells, and the Control V to paste it back in is fast and causes the least amount of damage to the file itself in the formatting sense.